FDR-X3000 camera. This is in low light in the man cave here at Wistful Vista. A first test using the internal mic. Second test, more light situation. Second test in the man cave here at Wistful Vista, still using the internal mic. Checking it out. This is a first run test of the Sony FDR-X3000 video camera using the external mic. This is a test, only a test. And for, let us begin again. And for contrast, we go to the GoPro 8, the latest edition. Moment of silence, GoPro corporate. I don't know why I did that. And for contrast, to compare with the Sony FDR, we go to the latest edition of the GoPro, the GoPro 8, using the internal microphone with as near as the same settings in terms of frame rate, etc., as I can get them, including camera location. So let's see how these turn out. And this is the test. Looks like the angle of view is wide enough. This is the test of the Sony FDR-X3000 Action Cam. I wonder if I can just shorten that to say Sony Action Cam. Sony FDR-X3000 Action Cam with a non-powered Sony remote mic. I'm wearing it here, a lavalier lapel mic. Curious how this turns out. So now, carrying on in the same testing sequence that we use for the Sony FDR on the GoPro 8, we use an external non-powered Sony lapel microphone. Checking sound quality here. Check sound levels. I'm not going to audit or edit any of these sound levels. So let's see how this turns out. And this will be the last of this afternoon's tests. This is a test of the Sony FDR-X3000 Action Cam with a Moano remote or external powered mic in the power on position. Quite curious how these all turn out and how the quality will affect vlogs that I can do both in the garage in the man cave here at Wistful Vistas, as well as out on the open road. So, last test. I'm going to take these in and put them onto the camera, put them into Final Cut Pro, and see how they turn out. Last test. And once again, carrying on in the same sequence of external mics, we just did the Sony non-powered external mic. This is the Moano, I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that correctly, Moano external powered microphone with the Sony Video 8 camera, GoPro Hero 8, I guess would be the full term. So now I have 3 or 4 different comparisons of these cameras. I'm just going to stitch them together in a sequence and see how they look in Final Cut Pro. Should be interesting. Let's put it together and see what happens.